Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopperguide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, two bug zapper brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Black & Decker Bug Zapper and the LUFFYLIVE Bug Zapper. If you ask people what the most annoying aspect of summer is, many would undoubtedly respond, all the bugs, and we couldn't agree more. Pesky flying insects can make a summer day outside absolutely miserable with their buzzing and bites. It's understandable that many of us reach for the bug spray the moment we step outside. However, sprays can be sticky and gross, which many children and adults can't stand. Not to mention the potential chemical additives. Seek out harmful ingredients with a keen eye. So, what do you do when the bugs are driving you as crazy as the smell of bug spray? Purchase bug zappers. In most cases, these handy little gadgets use both LED lights to attract bugs and an electrical grid to kill them. They're available in a variety of shapes and sizes, with the ability to protect small areas such as a bedroom as well as entire acres of land. In today's Bug Zapper review, we have chosen two of the greatest contenders, the Black & Decker Bug Zapper and the LUFFYLIVE Bug Zapper, which both received 5 badges from our experts at TrustedShopperGuide.com. Whether you're gearing up to go camping or want some on-the-go protection, you'll find the best Bug Zapper for you between these two. If you're interested in the other Bug Zappers that we reviewed, do check out our Bug Zapper review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these Bug Zappers will be going toe-to-toe with is their coverage and power source. One important factor to consider is the coverage area. If you're buying a zapper for a small space, such as a backyard, don't be afraid to get one with a short range. Bug zappers with a large coverage range can easily attract bugs from nearby places and houses in small spaces before their work. The Black & Decker Bug Zapper has a maximum coverage of 625 feet, which is about the size of a large deck, and provides fast, reliable pest control with a maximum coverage of 1 acre. It has a long-lasting UV light that emits a pleasant glow that's gentle on the eyes but effective against pesky bugs. The high-powered killer, which has been designed for maximum safety and energy efficiency, can also withstand rain, wind, and most non-severe weather conditions. On the other hand, the LUFFYLIVE Bug Zapper can protect your home from bugs for at least 2,000 square feet all around, and it can be placed on your balcony, garden, or courtyard. It also comes with a handy hanging hook that can be used to hang it wherever you want. As a general rule, the higher the UV light wattage, the better, stronger, and wider the Bug Zapper's range will be. Having a powerful wattage and wide coverage, it's no doubt that the LUFFYLIVE Bug Zapper wins this round. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their grid voltage. When buying a Bug Zapper, pay attention to the grid voltage. Insects are lured into a high-voltage metal grid at the device's center, where they are electrocuted to death. A constant supply of power is provided by a high-voltage transformer to the killing grid, which zaps any insects that flies through it. So when it comes to the amount of electricity used by your average household Bug Zapper, it should be between 25 and 50 watts. The clog-proof grid of the Black & Decker's Bug Zapper attracts both small and large insects, and the pests can be discarded using the removable tray. Meanwhile, LUFFYLIVE emits a wavelength that attracts mosquitoes, gnats, Aedes mosquitoes, flies, moths, and other insects. When an insect approaches the fly trap, the zapper uses a high-voltage grid to kill it. Since the safer electrified grid has smaller gaps, it effectively prevents accidental touch. For having the high power that explodes most insects upon impact, and will reduce the likelihood of any insects escaping, our team has given a point to LUFFYLIVE for this category. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their quiet operation. Nobody wants a loud Bug Zapper that simply replaces the annoyance of insects buzzing. Since your outdoor Bug Zapper will most likely be placed near your alfresco dining area or lounge area, you'll need to look for zappers that are quiet to keep your yard peaceful. Flying critters are gone with just a quick little crackle from the Black & Decker Bug Zapper. It also uses very little electricity, saving you money on your utility bills. Contrastingly, LUFFYLIVE emits 19 decibels when it's in use, which is the same as whispering. Who wouldn't want to enjoy a peaceful sleep with no bugs and their annoying buzz for good? So being the quietest product between the two with only 19 decibels, it's obvious that the LUFFYLIVE brings home the crown for this category. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their versatility. Not all Bug Zappers are created equal. Some will withstand years of exposure to the sun, wind, and summer rains, while others may not. To assess a zapper's durability, check out the materials used to make the product and select a reputable brand, as they most probably use only the best raw materials. The versatile design of the Black & Decker allows you to hide or display the unit in whatever way works best for you. Its sleek cage has the appearance of a lantern and will go with any decor. Simply place the base on any flat surface or attach the chain to any hook to hang the unit vertically. On the contrary, LUFFYLIVE is well made, portable, and light, and it does a great job with bugs. It can be used in your backyard and has greatly improved the comfort of hosting barbecues and entertaining guests outside. It also comes with a cable that's long enough to allow for installation flexibility. For this category, the best option is the Bug Zapper, which is not only versatile and attractive to look at, but also gets the job done well. So for this round, it's obvious that the point goes to Black & Decker. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of cleaning. The last thing that you need to look for when buying a Bug Zapper is that the package should include a cleanable tray and cleaning brushes. The brush makes cleaning the coil and trays a lot more convenient. Washable trays are also a huge advantage. Black & Decker is very easy to clean with a convenient removable tray to discard any dead insects and use the bonus cleaning brush to scrub away excess waste. To use it, simply pull out the collection tray, empty it into the garbage, and use the provided brush to restore the grid to a pristine clean. Meanwhile, the LUFFYLIVE Bug Zapper has a detachable tray in the bottom of the mosquito killer, so you can clean it with a brush included in the package regularly. Everyone wants a Bug Zapper that can be cleaned in a matter of minutes. You don't want to overwork yourself by cleaning it for an extended period. Since the Black & Decker requires the fewest steps for proper maintenance, it brings home the crown for this category. Our brand wars between the Black & Decker Bug Zapper and the LUFFYLIVE Bug Zapper have come to an end. With 3 points to Black & Decker's 2, LUFFYLIVE wins by a landslide. LUFFYLIVE is without a doubt the superior Bug Zapper in this battle. However, Black & Decker is still a valuable option with its versatility and ease of cleaning, so you should definitely check that one out as well. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Black & Decker Bug Zapper and the LUFFYLIVE Bug Zapper is finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next Bug Zapper face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the trustedshopify.com again soon.